Hello Hook Protocol coin holders, how are you? Hope you're doing well, guys. Welcome back to another price prediction video about Hook coin, guys. Before starting this video, guys, join Telegram group, guys. The link is available in video description. Check now description and join for free signal for free market update, guys. Hook Protocol 1.92 US dollar, the current price 2.23% negative changes occur in the Hook Protocol coin. Still, if you talk about 24-hour trading volume, fully diluted market cap, so all changes in the Hook coin is completely negative, guys. So now what should we do in a right now situation? Is it the best time for buying or selling, guys? So currently the market is completely on a dip, guys, so I think it's completely now on a support level, guys. So I think that it's the best time to buy in long position, guys. Obviously every coin you want to buy, it's the best time for buying, guys, because all market is in a dip, guys. Buy now and just hold it for a 1 week, for 2-3 days, guys. I'm sure it will give you a massive profit, guys. By the way, for our latest signals, join us on Telegram. The link is available in video description.